Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this tutorial. Today we are going to learn about MikroTik configuration, starting from router reset, DHCP server setup, static IP, ARP configuration, up to internet gateway. Later we will also continue with advanced features such as hotspot, QoS, and firewall filtering. Let's start step by step so you can follow along easily. Uh, I'm sorry. After we uh, turn on, after I turn on the MikroTik, we must go to the Winbox. You can click Winbox uh, in your computer or laptop. If you don't have Winbox, you can install in Chrome or Firefox or web browser other, and then you can connect because uh, many configuration we will start uh, we will start uh, from reset configuration. You can click system, you can click reset configuration, and then you can click no default configuration and do not backup. After that, we will reset the router with no default configuration and without backup. Next, we set reset configuration. You can click yes. Uh, we got to the waiting from loading reset configuration, and then you can refresh. Click refresh. I'm sorry because in here solid. So you can click the MAC address and then you can click the connect. Next, we set the host name to RBTRKJ. TRKJ. I'm sorry. Uh, I don't speak English. And you can click system, click identity, and you can set the name RBTRKJ. Or and then you can click apply and OK. And here change the name RBTRKJ. Then we add IP address. So you must to click IP and Then address list. You can add. You can put the IP address 68. I want to this IP address, and you can slice uh, 24, and on your interface on Ether 2, and you can click apply and OK. After that, we configure the DHCP server on Ether 2. You can click IP and DHCP server, and then you can DHCP setup and server interface-nya Ether 2, so that the laptop can get an IP address. And next, the next server, uh, we set in 8.8.8, and then next. Okay, successfully. Then make sure the laptop is set to DHCP mode, and then now to make the laptop always get the same IP, we add a static list from IP. You can click lists, and then you can add your IP. After you make the DHCP setup, you can click the lists, and then you add lists, and then you input your IP address, and then you can change your IP, and then you can apply and OK, and then you can click IP and address, you can see here. You can click IP and ARP list, and here my IP address. You and you must be C or complete, and you have to check in the CMD or command prompt. You can click Windows and R and enter. You can input the IP config, enter, and IP address. My IP address in here, and here my IP router, and also after add a static RP entry, and finally we connect the router to the internet using Ether1 as one. We enable the HTTP client on Ether1 and add NAT and Masquerade. Uh, we will uh, we will to make my laptop connect to the Wi-Fi. We must going to wireless and click here and or enable and you can security profile and you can add, you can name, change the name, up to you, and I will lab 7, and mode is dynamic keys and WPL PS key and WPL to PS key. You can input the password your Wi-Fi, and uh, I will uh, input my password Wi-Fi, and then you can apply and okay. And then you can Wi-Fi interface. You can click Wi-Fi interface. You can click here uh, to click, and then uh, you must change security profile to the lab 7 as in security profile you and now you can scan here, you can start, you can find the name of your Wi-Fi, and then uh, my Wi-Fi in the course, and you can connect and apply okay. Wait until the are running, and then uh, you can to the IP, you can uh, the DHCP client and add DHCP client, and you can click wireless LAN 1 and you can apply and okay. Wait until the IP address bound. Nice. And here status must be bound, and then you can click IP. I'm sorry. Click IP, and then you can click firewall, and you can connect and then add the general SRC NAT chainnya, and out interface is wireless LAN, and action is masquerade apply and okay. Yeah, you can see in here network internet access and Salmon Connect. My Wi-Fi name is Salmon, and is the connect, and you can see here uh, the photo or the ah I forget, uh, and then you can check in the new terminal. You can click and uh, you can control C, and then you can check your ping IP ping DNS address. DNS server, I'm sorry, DNS server is 8.8.8, and then uh, y- you can connect to the internet and control C, and you can ping the domain, or you can click input the YouTube.com and then enter and success. And then you can check in the command, uh, your ping is 8.8.8, and can to the network, and you ping the YouTube can connect. Finally, you can check, uh, we check how connect the router to the internet using Ether 1, and you can click Chrome. Now test the connection by pinging from laptop or router, and then ping to the internet, and then successfully. But I will check in the Chrome. Chrome, maybe in we YouTube, YouTube.com, oh, I'm sorry, YouTube, YouTube enter, and then finally be is successfully. And now maybe that's all for me. That's my tutorial for from me. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention, and thank you for listening, and you can testing in your home, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.